So hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. We are going with another topic which is movement of water and xylem. Water and xylem. So this would be easy topic. So let's see what's written and how we'll understand. So let's start. Okay. So first thing you will see that plant absorb a good amount of water from soil as we provide water to soil or roots. So this means they take good amount of water from the soils, right? But what if I say yes, if they take, but only here 1 to 2% of water is going to be not waste but absorbed by other processes, absorbed by other metabolic process, and other metabolic processes are like uh, photosynthesis and these all. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Then these all metabolic activities are very much important because they do such things which are important, like they help in maintenance of turgidity of cells. Here comes maintenance. They like maintain turgidity of cell. This means they help in providing a good shape. So here this process, and then there's also loose from the like wait there's also loose of water vapors, through other processes, like what that process is called as transpiration. So transpiration, if this is a leaf, on the tip, they not on the tip but on the structure of leaf you'll see vapors like a structure present, water vapors, and that's are caused for providing a cooling effect. Same as in human body we have homeostasis, that's like maintenance of body temperature, and that's all. Same goes here. So what's written in a book, it's like a process where water vapor from through aerial parts of plant bodies lose water. That process is called as transpiration. And before transpiration the water is conducted to the leaves. So what's written here next, so here you'll also see the water, which is water before like this transpiration process, water is conducted to leaves and then to xylem. So this upward movement, like here as water is going to leaves then to xylem, so this means going to be upward process. So that uptake, not uptake but upward process, wait a moment. So here this upward process or upward movement of water from absorptive surface, which is root surface, but I'm just directly writing roots. Upward movement from roots to the transpiring surface, which is leaf, to leaves. So this means this going towards, again, like this process is going to against, like of course we know gravity acts downward and leaves are upward. So this means this process is going to be against the downward pull of gravity. So that process is known as ascent of sap. Ascent of sap is simply this concept you will also see in this book. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Simply, if I just make a picture to make you understand nicely, if this is a leaf, here is the root like structure, not root like structure but these are basically roots. So here the surface is called as absorptive surface just because this is the capability to absorb water and all the nutrients which are provided by outside environment. Then we have leaves are called as transpiring surface. I'm not writing well. Transpiring surface. So this means here water is going in the opposite direction from earth, like gravity is downward from gravity to upward side, this means it's going against, that's called as ascent of sap. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Then comes our next topic, not next topic but part of this topic. So let's see what's written more. The upward movement of water from roots to leaves takes place through xylem and depend upon two factors. So here transpiration, not transpiration but ascent of sap, wait, ascent of sap, I'm sure it's clear to you. Then this have again two types. First one is transpiration pull. Second one, which you'll see, would be different, but in this transpiration pull they have a physical properties. All physical properties are here. So if you're thinking all, what does this mean? This means again we have two types. Here we have addition and cohesion force, which is attracting force, attracting, and this is taking away. So I'm sure it's clear to you. And you'll also see that they have extensive hydrogen bonding in their property and give strength. A lot of properties are written there. And wait for a moment. Basically I have just combined these all. This addition and these process are called a second part. Otherwise first part is transpiration pull, second is these two physical properties. So physical properties heading would be here as this the second part. Then attracting force, taking away force, then transpiration pull. This is about properties. Now if I just discuss transpiration pull, sorry for that confusion, I hope you don't mind. Here is the transpiration pull. These all result in the chain of a lot of chains of events, like it starts from absorption of solar radiation, absorption of solar radiation, or like solar radiation in the morning, as we see, because sunlight when raise the temperature, they have the ability. So from absorption of solar radiation, the sunlight raise temperature of leaves when water begins to evaporate and moist walls. So this evaporation of water is immediately replaced by inside the cell, then by neighboring cells, and a lot of process like this happen. But still our topic here completes it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.